state and a city in southern Mexico. State and a city. Not too far from Mexico City, and between the Pacific and the Caribbean.
I think it's African tulip.
God,
That's what I said.
the god of water, the god of...
They were all part of their religion. Very nice. We had special worships and rites.
I think they go out
Ball court.
And differences were resolved down here. Playing, they hit with their elbows, their hips, their knees, their legs. The walls were washed down with lime.
Thing is immense. Plenty of line. It's just a fabulous display here. And the inevitable gift shop. And where's Trish headed? We did most of our birding around Oaxaca itself and the surrounding mountains.
You're a donkey from the village. Downtown is right to this left here.
This is the airport in Oaxaca. Kapok tree over there.
He's right in the middle between the two. Don't move. Don't change your place where you're standing because you can see where you are. You see the tallest branches on the left.
right here.
Yeah, the tallest bright
Really
green
neat
thing
form.
right here.
It's a senna of some kind.
There's the male. Great silky.
Director General of Tourist presents the Night of the Radishes 2001. Look at all the beautiful flowers. See if you find one. If you find some lizards. Doing the radishes.
False advertising.
Hey, Ann Stone.
Yeah, somebody told us we.
Want to smell my flowers?
Sure. We're now up on the platform and the line goes around to see all the radish sculptures.
Starting with number 1, La Apparition de la Virgin de la Soledad.
Some gorgeous stuff and flowers.
Great sightseers. Judges looking at the display. here.
Instead of palm trees, we got radish.
And there we are, in radish.
Look at this next one. Wow.
Bandstand.
Yeah.
Keeping it damp, I guess, keep it from
Oh, they've
drying
got that
out.
building. The radish.
Another way of keeping the radishes damp. There's a little artificial padding there, but not here. That's all natural. Got a rodeo here. This is the parade that they're going to have tomorrow night, right in this same area. This is a fairy tale he's sculpted here.
They call the drunk people. The drunk people.
Oh, yeah?
And then the drunk people.
Not a nice way to die.
What's
Diablo
Welcome.
skeleton radish here. And where do you think they found these radishes? In the crown of Florence on Christ.
You got laid.
Here's one actually in process. How'd you like to be beat to death with a radish? That's my favorite. Here are the three wise men and their elephants. Pornographic radish. And the rest of these are with flowers. There's the cathedral. Professional shopper at work.
La Cumbre is the sort of the pass we're going up to, which has
Cumbre.
Back and forth. Probably close to too long. Let's have it straight down into the barrel. So you have a
It's not on it yet.
Does everyone see him?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a hermit warbler back in here with a ruby crown kinglet.
Lobelia. Salvia.
See the tree with the yellow leaves on the trunk, and then there's this
Facing
other
left
straight
next
leaf.
street.
Graybarred wren over there.
Rufus cap.
Yeah, just to the right.
Oh, yeah.
Down from the red. It's got a rufous cheek patch.
Did you say this the Continental Divide?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
About how high?
9,666 feet.
Wow. Thank you. Our leader, Dave,
David. Little Maureen.
Maureen, sweet Maureen, Jean, David,
Judith.
Judith at the end, and the Swede.
I answer the phone and I answer.
Hi, I'm Barbara Holland.
We have a march.
Hi. So they remember.
You know who I am.
Christmas Eve in Oaxaca, and the parade's about to start. We have our group over there in the doorway. Barbara and David. Having a good time here.
Look at the face coming out of the
Pressures or are they fresh?
He's gorgeous.
Oriole flying to the right. No.
Coral trees, native.
One of the silk moths, I think.
Mm-hmm.
She wants a design. It's
What's
all
the
wool.
design?
A lot of work to it too, and more work than that one with the diamonds, which I like.
Looking for the rufous back robin.
The problem with that is that all finches learn calling. And because they're learned, as opposed to innate,
blue fruit.
How about a little guacamole?
There's a lump, see? There's a lump.
Freeze.
Get that lump.
Oh, here I go again. Oh, I shouldn't be doing that when I have a sharp knife.
Wow, right down there. Chuck was standing there waiting for his change, and he says,
What's in the clouds? We took a 3-day trip down to Tuxtepec. Tuxtepec is located at much lower elevation than Oaxaca and thus has more tropical birds. This is about the high point of the trip, looking toward the Gulf of Mexico. On a clear day you can see it, I understand. That's our approximate altitude. This place is called La Cumbre. Beryllium and paintbrush there. Looking back west toward Oaxaca. It looks like pretty tough duty there.
You're eating this. Just devoured an entire morning glory.
Black cow oriole up there. And a black-headed saltator calling. There's a ferruginous pygmy owl.
I thought that was Rich calling.
It was originally. Summer's kind of jerking me control. At least like it. There he goes.
Her pendulous flying. This is a rufous-tailed hummingbird nest. The bird just left. Maybe it will be back and maybe it won't. That's the Altamira oriole singing. 2 Altamira orioles over there in the top of that tree. Beautiful birds.
Ugly.
And there's a yellow-tailed oriole up there.
Yellow-tailed oriole in the scope.
I look at this one crawling on the left, really close.
White-bellied emerald up there. Long-tailed skipper.
I can see it.
Roadside hawk.
They're close to each other.
Yeah, I got it.
Field.
Move down. Moving out.
Bridge out. This bus is turning around. It takes care of the other end of the bridge that's washed out. It just goes back and forth on this end, ferrying people around.
I am looking at a band background now, still around. Did you guys see them?
Sure.
Oops, there. Got it.
There's the bandback wren.
Yep, I can see him.
The really strongly patterned wings and rufous belly.
Yep.
Is that a Kiskadee and a boat bill?
Yep, good look at the boat.
It doesn't seem very whitish, but that doesn't mean anything.
Dead tree. Look how big.
On Kingfisher. There he goes. And here comes the other bus is here, and the people are coming across the footbridge. And night falls over the quiet river in southeastern Mexico.
You get them close enough, you can hear the sound.
Oh, cool.
There's a white-throated robin. Just this side of in the hole on the left side of the tree, mid-level. It's like silhouetted against the sky.
Yes. Toucan. Got a toucan.
Oh yes,
Ooh.
David,
It's
great.
not good yet.
Bright yellow. Wow.
But it stays for longer.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, no, there it goes. Brown jay. Another one. Okay.
But they're a little bit lower.
Want to turn him a little bit?
And puts his head down in the ground and his...
Oh, wow.
Now you want to interview Diane.
Okay, Diane, what is it?
It's a stink bug. It's in the family Pentatomidae in the hemipteran order.
Wow.
I'm certainly impressed.
Wait, that's good. That's yeah. Turn him around so I can see. That's cool.
Katie, we don't study things like that.
The yellow ones, the yellow-billed ones are the young ones.
Oh, is that house?
Brown jays in the road.
He's eating lunch.
It looks like it's in the
Got a bat?
So have we identified his lunch?
He's eating a bat.
He is eating a bat?
Yeah, it's probably a pet. Well, maybe they're
I'm looking at something.
There he is. Look at that. There's one of the volcanoes near Mexico City. Popoa Ixta.
landed low. Okay. Cool. A different family.
Hey, Diane. Do I have a good one for you? White-bellied wren nest?
Which one is this? Pale bill. You delineated what really well. This is amazing. Look at this view.
Buffy black stripes.
Yeah, it's almost yellow back
Yeah,
there.
it's almost yellow.
We don't factor into his behavior at this point. He's certainly not.
Look at grosbeak over there.
Anything in here?
What's the blue grosbeak and house?
Cooper's hawk. It's a gray-breasted woodpecker.
Yeah, you want to move to my left there at the stove.
Did everybody see the oriole? Right out there.
Oh yeah, Virginia's warbler.
Bridal sparrow.
Oh wow, nice view in the scope.
The dusky hummingbird. Great little view, actually. We're looking at the eastern end of the Oaxaca Valley, and it is gorgeous.
The cars ran back out.
No good for me.
Picard's wren.
Get him, can't you?
I got him.
I can't.
See this thing without the leaves, the sun shining? Just to the left of that.
There's another one. There they go. All right. This one. Right out front.
Cool. There's that little canyon wren out there.
Bobbing like a dipper.
Were you playing Canyon?
Walking up to the Yagoot. 2 guards on duty. It's a netting's call. Looking back toward Oaxaca over here, which is right over here behind there. There's the boss over there, you can tell he's in charge.
Yeah.
It's a nice 4 o'clock here.
Now that's what I bought was Oro de Oaxaca, and they had a little sack around it and it says salt with chili. Oh, that.
Everybody's growing agave to make mezcal.
Mezcal. It's actually over here. Kind of twice I just go right in the
The worm.
Anejo? Anejo, okay.
Didn't hear it already, but you
These are the agaves. They smoke, mash, and then ferment.
hear the bubbles there.
Fermenting in this vat here. See the bubbles. And then it is distilled.
It's just like the backwoods in Tennessee, isn't it?
Worms, huh? And they're in the mezcal too.
Chili.
Oh, I see.
All these mezcals are made locally and by hand here in this area. Only place in the world it's made. Yep.
Salute. Is it?
White-tailed hawk and a harrier. Oh, wow. Got it.
Here it comes.
These are the ruins at Mitla.
Comes Elliot up the stairs of tombs 1 and 2. He's kind of backlit though. That was Maureen's hat that just ducked under. This is all you're gonna get, Rick.
From the tomb.
El jugador.
Yo limón con nuez. Yo limón con nuez. Y yo quiero. Alebrijes en